Hey guys, I've seen so many good sellers worrying about their sales in the summer because of multiple factors. Summer is generally known to be as a slow season. The reason for that one, because summer is for vacations. A lot of people who go for vacations, your prospects, your teammates go for vacations, which creates some bottlenecks in terms of deals becoming longer, prospects coming back to you later, prospects leaving the company or changing the company because the summer is in general very slow season. So you can expect a lot of changes in your organizational structure. But is it a problem? Should we be worried about that one? Let's uncover this topic. So uh, because summer is a vacation, internally some of your teammates will start going for the vacation, so they're not going to be there when you need them. This means that you will be, probably if you're working in a startup, you will be spreaded a bit thinly across multiple departments or across multiple roles, or things that you were not doing before that you would be doing right now. That's the thing number one. That's the bottleneck number one. And then the bottleneck number two is that your prospects are just simply going to be very slow, especially if they're based in Europe, or like if you work with Europeans, they're gonna be going for the vacation for 4 to 6 weeks. It's okay, so don't worry about that one. Don't worry if they do not get back to you. Let's talk about what you can do to make sure that the summer slowing down doesn't have an effect for you. So first of all, I think in general there is market, and marketing Web3 rules the game, the rule of the game. If the market is very good, then the summer is also going to be good and fast pacing, and everything's going, like, a lot of things are going to be happening. I remember the last summer, even in the last summer when it was like very deep bear market, still people were coming in, still people were buying, still people were doing things. Of course, not at the scale that they're doing it right now. But my point is, if you're worried that your summer in 2024 is going to be slow or your sales results are going to fall back, I think you're a bit delusional. So first of all, look at the market. The market dictates the rules. A lot of people will be working right now, working in the summer, maybe taking vacation later, because right now is the time to make money. Next one, in June, a lot of companies have been working with the leads they got from Consensus. In July, a lot of companies will be working with the leads that they got from ETHCC. I think ETHCC is going to be one of the biggest events in the year that's going to bring the majority of the pipeline for the whole summer up front. And then in August, you would be working and closing all the leads from previous conferences, everybody who you got before, and preparing for the next event, which is going to be happening in September, which is going to be Token 2049. So don't worry about it. Um, like if you see that some fallbacks, if you see that your prospects start replying slowly to you, or you sell to European market, to Asian market, to Middle Eastern market, and you see that people generally start to be more relaxed, go and focus on the American markets. They work all the time, 24/7. Americans, Canadians, the work culture is a bit different there. So you, like, even if Europeans go for the rest, Americans maybe take 2 weeks max, if not less. I meet a lot of sellers in sales departments that were telling that they were taking maybe like 1 week vacation just because they need to maintain the pipeline, and not being in the company, not closing deals is actually hurting their financial situation. So don't worry about that one in a short term. If you're worried about your summer in 2024, or you even didn't know that these problems can exist, don't worry about them, because market right now is very good. We have leads from ETHCC. ETHCC is going to be like, if you go for ETHCC, you have nothing to worry about. If you don't go for ETHCC, well, maybe start thinking about what you can do better. Maybe watch other my videos, how to prospect people more, how to get people from conference Telegram method. There is a video about that one on the channel. Check out what Enrich is doing. Maybe that can help you scale your sales. But generally, if you go for ECC, don't worry about it. Go for event, enjoy, relax, get as much leads as possible, work with them throughout the next 45 days, prepare for the token 2049, go for the token 2049, close it. And here's your game plan for the Q3. Very easy, unpacked in a couple of sentences. Guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Let's hope that your summer sales are going to peak and going to be the best sales in your career. And let's do it. Thank you, and bye-bye.